environment and natural resources. To climb the mountains and unattached agencies during the first cabinet.
President's registration.
Enter ko lang po para mapipilay po ito. Enter po natin. Automatically po, pinuha po namin sa website ng Malacanang hindi sa kita.
Congratulations, Mr. President. And Secretary de los Reyes to be witnesses of this handover.
Who was gunned down on July 9, 2010 in a checkpoint in San Isidro, Luna. He was a member of a team that confiscated lumber and flitches. 2010, he was actively involved in Oplan Kalasangan that led to the seizure of about 3,000 cubic meters of illegally cut logs from the forest of Lianga, Surigao del Sur.
Ang pagpapayaman sa mga ito sa paisa-isang punla. Buong sikap po natin itataguyod ang pangangalaga sa kalikasan sa pamamagitan ng malawakang social mobilization o ang paghimok sa lahat ng Pilipino, lalo na ang kabataan sa kolehiyo at high school at mga kawani ng gobyerno na magtanim ng 10 halaman kada taon. Batan na naging talagang masaganang kagubatan, buhay na buhay. Siguro may kapalit po yun, ako na lang po makakalbo. Maraming salamat. Bababa natin tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Di mo ba malaki siya dati?
Sigurado kaya may grado rin yung sagot.
Sir, simento lang po.
Meron.
Simento lang po.
Okay. Lagyan mo na sa second 100 days.
Okay na. Hindi, wala pa rin nakakarating sa amin.
DENR Complex. Sapling in the Heroes Park. Our honorable secretaries will assist the President. Signed by 3-time Dean of the UP College of Fine Arts, Dr. Nesman. Nara is our national tree and symbolizes. Nara is our national tree. Stunt Secretary for Special Projects. Aside from forestry species, ladies and gentlemen, the NGP also involves the planting of other species, such as fruit-bearing and other agroforestry. Nara sapling.
Si Chancellor.
Kano kataas? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.